Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about how I made more than $1,000 from opening bank account. The first bank from where I got $600 as account sign-up bonus was Chase. So I signed up for Chase checking account as well as saving account, and if you open both at the same time you will get another $100 bonus. The requirement for a Chase checking account was you need to at least have money deposited in your new account. I think it's $500 per every month. And for the Chase saving account, it was $15,000 for keeping $15,000 in that account for 90 days. And if you completed both the offer on the 91st day, I think you will get that $100 bonus. For the Chase checking account, you will get $300. For the saving account, it's $200, and then on top of that, there's a $100 bonus. The second bank was Wells Fargo. From Wells Fargo, I received $400 as an account sign-up bonus. The requirement was to deposit $4,000 or more as a direct deposit in your new account. The third bank account is a Discover saving account, from where I got $150 as a sign-up bonus. The requirement was to have $15,000 in that bank account for 90 days, and after completing that you will receive that $150 sign-up bonus. Apart from that, I'm also going to register for 2 to 3 more banks in coming months. The first bank that I receive a letter in the mail is from CD Accelerated High Yield Saving Account. So they are offering $450 as a sign-up bonus, but the requirement is to have more than $50,000 or more dollars in your bank in the new saving accounts for continuous 60 days. If you can deposit between $20,000 to $49,999, you will get $150 as a sign-up bonus. So the amount, the bonus amount will be credited after on the 91st day. Since the account opening, and you need to make this deposit within 20 days from the account opening. The second account that I'm going to open is a US bank checking account. Right now they are offering $400 as a sign-up bonus. There are 2 requirements for US bank. The one is you need to either register for the online banking, or you need to download the bank app on your phone. The other one is to have at least 2 direct deposit totaling $4,000 or more. The third account that I'm going to register is WECU. It's a credit union, local credit union in Washington. I got a pamphlet here in my mail. So they are offering $250 for a checking account. The requirement are to set up and register at least $100 in the first 60 days of account opening. On the 61st day you will receive that $250. So till now I have received around $1,150 from account sign-up bonus, and if you have a partner, you can register her for a separate account and you can basically double the money, as I told before. So I'm going to register for these 3 accounts in next 2 to 3 months. So I try not to sign up more than like 1 to 3 bank account in a year, and then once I don't have more requirement, I slowly close them down. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment and I will try my best to answer them. Thank you.